A ver qué foto sacas.
No es una foto, ¿eh?
Ya grabando.
A ver, chicos, mirad para acá todos. Ah, ya salió. Vale, vale. Bueno, ¿para dónde vamos? A Antequera. ¿Y a qué vamos? A comer frisuelo. Exactamente. Díselo a Jorge, acabamos de comer molletes. Vale, perfecto. Vamos a subirlo al Facebook para que lo vean, los molletes.
Yo he estado aquí, ¿eh? Yo sí, tú no has estado. No te has ganado la camiseta de que he estado aquí.
I saw her today at the reception, a glass of wine in her hand. I knew she was gonna meet her connection. At her feet was a footloose man. You can't always get what you want. You can't always get what you want. You can't always get what you want. But if you try sometimes, well, you might find you get what you need. Oh, yeah. And I went down to the demonstration to get my fair share of abuse, singing words gonna vent our frustration. If we don't, we're gonna blow a 50 amp fuse. Sing it to me. You can't always get what you want. You can't always get what you want. You can't always get what you want. But if you try sometimes, well, you just might find you get what you need. Oh, baby, yeah. Oh. I went down to the Chelsea drugstore to get your.
Solís, tú no has estado aquí, Solís.
I was standing in line with Mr. Jimmy. A man, did he look pretty ill? We decided that we would have a soda. My favorite flavor, cherry red. I sung my song to Mr. Jimmy. Yeah, and he said, was practiced at the art of deception. Well, I could tell